Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save any kind of picture and apply it as your background on your PlayStation 4. And if we want to go on over to the internet browser, this makes it very easy to save any kind of picture. So let's go over to application, internet browser right here, and then we can go to Google. If we go to search in the top right, I believe Google is the default search engine. So press triangle and type in, I don't know, let's type in SSD. Press R2 and done. And then we can go on over to the images right here, and then we can save an image. So to actually save the image, what we're going to want to do is make this as big as we can right here, and then we can press square for full screen, and I believe we can zoom in using the right thumbstick, and then just take a picture. So you can press the share button and it's going to take a picture. Alright, so it's not the best crop picture at all. But what we could do is go back. Let's go on over to the capture gallery now. Go to applications, capture gallery, open this up, and we should see our picture in here. So let's go to all. Here's our picture, and we can press options on it, and we could edit it in Share Factory, and we can crop out the sides and stuff. So let's do that right now. Go to edit, and Share Factory is a video editor and a photo editor on your PlayStation 4. It makes it very easy to do anything with your pictures. So you can see this. I can go to X to edit the photo. I can pan and zoom. So this will allow me to crop it essentially. Alright, press this and then I can just save it. So you can do more things with it too if you want. But I'm just going to save this. It's going to save it back to my hard drive on my PlayStation. And I don't need to share it. Alright, so now I'm just going to exit. Already saved it, and what I could do is go on over to themes now. So let's go to settings and then go to themes, go to select theme, go all the way down to the bottom, got a lot of themes, and then go to custom, and then you can select an image under here, and you can go to system storage, or you can plug in a USB device. And here's my SSD that I put on here. So let's just put this as my background and apply it. And then we can go back, and there it is. So I guess in Share Factory I left this background. We can get rid like this edge. I can go ahead and get rid of that too if I just pay a little more attention to how I edit it. But very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.